North Korea is reportedly rebuilding a missile testing and launch area. That information comes from South Korea and 2 private research centers in the United States. In Afghanistan, officials say at least 17 people are dead after militants attacked a construction business near an airport in Jalalabad. Human Rights Watch accuses Iraqi and Kurdish officials of arresting, torturing, and jailing hundreds of children. The officials reportedly claim the children have ties to the Islamic State group. And in Kenya, a labor dispute affects flights to and from the country's main international airport in Nairobi.